Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So in today's video, we're going to talk about the Dollar General quarter sale that's supposed to be taking place next Tuesday the 17th. Is this event canceled? What is going on? So many of you have asked in the comments or asked me on Instagram, like, what is going on? So I made a special video about this because some weird stuff has been going on over at the Dollar General. I'll be the first to admit it. The new app update doesn't make a whole lot of sense. And just it seems like, especially with penny items too, they were there, they were gone, they're full price, they're back to clearance. Something's up. So what we're going to do is put our thinking caps on, look at last year's information, and just follow how items have they're 70% off right now, and look at the clearance and just kind of track it together in this video. And I will also be providing UPCs that are quite useful for next Tuesday. Earlier in the month, there was a memo that was released to staffers to say you need to pull the following items because they will not follow any of the clearance that include gift wrap, bows, bags, tissue paper, lights. I've also noticed Ziploc bags to send everything back to head office and they will resell them for next Christmas. Get them off the floor. And if you so happen to find some gift wrap or something like that, it's actually ringing up full price. So if you've been kind of allergic to shopping at other clearance events, you might want to head out to like a Walmart today and look for wrapping paper if that's what you're looking for. For example, this is some gift wrap that was $3 and it's back to $3. So good luck storing that till next year. Another item that's always followed clearance is like the holiday Ziplocs, those sort of items. And this is also full price as well. Dollar General has started to merchandise a lot of their air care, holiday stuff, all the things that are Christmas at the front of the store or at a table. And this morning, a lot of these items are ringing 70% off, which is fantastic. And we're going to talk about a freebie as well with this 70% off. But guys, here's the thing. I don't believe the quarter sale has been canceled. It's going to be slimmed down to a list that doesn't include paper, lights, trees, that sort of stuff. But we got to wait for the memo. I think we're probably going to hear something this weekend. And tentatively, it's always the third Tuesday of January. So that would land on the 17th as per the last 5 years. Updated stores will probably be the Wednesday following. Definitely open up the Dollar General app next Tuesday and scan one of these barcodes I'm providing. And again, we're waiting on the memo. I don't think this is canceled city. We're just going to have to wait and see how this plays out. But yeah, it's Dollar General. Expect the unexpected. Process of putting together this video. Items have hit 70% off as of Tuesday the 10th. Including this little Airwick holiday kit. So it's $1.75 right now. And if you guys remember, we have a digital coupon, which is $1.75 off, which is attaching to said product. So it would make it completely free. The double packs of the oil, I believe, are $2.22. So with that $1.75 coupon, it's making it cheap. Obviously, when it's a quarter, it's a much, much better deal. But if you're itching to get some free stuff or to scout some stores, by all means, get this freebie. So what we're going to do now is just look at some of the 70% off. And I just want to show you some tags on the back to be on the lookout for when you're in the store. I would definitely scout if you can. This little box, and you're thinking, oh, well, isn't this gift wrap? I don't know. It's excluded. It's strange. See that red? It's like $1 with the red. That's holiday for Christmas. And F22 as well. And if you scan the barcode in the Dollar General app, this should be 30 cents right now. So I'm thinking next Tuesday quarter, wouldn't that be nice? We have these really cute Dollar General Christmas candles, and a lot of stores seem to have a lot left. So this guy is $1.50. It was $5. See how it says F21 and it has that 5 in the red box? Definitely that's one thing. Keep your eagle eyes out for that. And then the ladies' socks, see how it says holiday style on the top left-hand corner? Definitely eagle eyes for that, 60 cents. And then FW Fall Winter 22. And here is the tag. Definitely when these are a quarter stock up, because I mean, these make fabulous stocking stuffers. Just be on the lookout for these sort of items. And then these little water bottles for kids, I believe they were $3, so it's down to 90 cents. When I find them for a quarter, I usually like to grab a whole bunch of them. They make superb stocking stuffers for kids. And I've also noticed too that Food is also not ringing up as part of this too, so just be mindful of that too. If you're just like, I'm going to grab all the candy. See the little red square in this, an F22. Those are the signs that we're looking for. And this cutesy little holiday mug, I mean, that would be perfect to store for next year. It's down to 30 cents right now. Even if you wanted to go on Saturday with a 5 off 25 and grab like $25 of merchandise at 70% off, you could make out like a bandit. You definitely have these UPCs to scan into the Dollar General app to see how they start moving next Tuesday. Way that the stores are staging all this stuff at the front, like here's a table of stuff, come and get it. The fact that it's hit 70, I really think that, things are going to be put into play. So we'll just have to be patient, hang on to those UPCs, and we'll be in business. Now, as I said, that wrapping paper, not part of it. And it's like if you ring up any wrapping paper, it's like full price if there's anything left on the floor. Walmart hit 90% on the week of January the 8th. You might want to check that out, along with Meijer grocery stores. So you might want to check out either one of those if you are in search of cheap bags, bows, gift wrap, that sort of stuff. Final question I will answer for you guys is about Walgreens and their Christmas clearance. So the third wave is supposed to hit this Friday the 13th, and I'm going to predict it's going to be 70%. Last week during the second wave, it hit 60%. A good friend who's a manager told me that on Sunday the 15th, they're supposed to be packaging everything up to get it all off the floor. So I'm thinking 70, just being very conservative. But if I'm wrong at 80, you might want to get your bags, bows, that sort of stuff over at Walgreens, because Dollar General will not be part of the quarter sale. Okay, that's it for this video. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.